Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you how you can show the palm of your hand to the front facing camera to either take a selfie or to start recording video using the front facing camera. Okay, so it's real simple to do. Just open up the camera. Okay, so there I am. Hello everyone. Go into the settings and scroll to where it says shooting methods, and down here you will see show palm. So show your palm to the camera to take a selfie or start recording with the front camera. Make sure that's on. So let's go ahead and test it out. Okay, so there I am. Okay, so it has just taken a selfie of me. Let's go ahead and view the selfie that's just been taken. Okay, so there is the selfie. Now let's go ahead and try the video. So let's switch to video. Okay, so just got to put my hand up until I see that little box. Okay, so it started recording now. Hey guys, it's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm here just testing out the palm selfie video recording on this device. If you like it, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Also share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Doses. Alright, let's stop that. Let's go check it out. The Android Doctor, and I'm here just testing out the palm selfie video recording on this device. If you like it, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Also share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Doses. Alright. Okay guys, so yeah, so you can see it clearly works well. Like I said, you've just got to keep trying until you see that little square box come up, and get your palm within that square box and it will start the recording. But yeah, I thought I'd share that with you all. Be sure to like the video, share the video, subscribe as well if you're not already subscribed. It's your boy the Android Doctor. So you can see it's just took another selfie there. Alright, I'm out guys.